Hey everybody, John Cruz here, Worldwide Auctioneers, and the Auburn auction is upon us, and we are thrilled at the offering that we have been able to put together with our consigners. And one of the great cars we're offering here at the auction is this beautiful 1932 Packard Twin-Six Victoria. And it's one of 4 that we know to exist. It's the 7th of the 10th built. And I've been able to go all through this car, look at all the numbers, and it's just a really wonderful car. It is striking in its presentation. I'll tell you, one of my favorite parts of this car are the optional 18-inch artillery wheels. That's the only set of these that I've seen on one of these cars, and it just gives the car a totally different look, which I think is a better look. Very striking, wonderful car. I hope you come out and check this and our other great pre-war American classics right here at the Auburn auction, and we'll see you there.